Hmm. Hello everyone. Hi guys. How are you all? Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning guys. So today is the demo class for your upcoming crash course for your JIB November examination cycle 2025, and this crash course is 2.0, right? And this crash course, the PPB, I am teaching you IEIFS and PPB in English medium. Okay, you all know my name is Afreen Asmad. Okay, now let's just talk about this demo class. What I am going to give you in this chapter or in this complete course, what I am expecting from you all in this whole complete course, right? I'm not going to start any chapter today. I'm not going to start anything today. I am just going to give you the basic information, the syllabus, the module wise weightage, how I am going to teach you in this crash course, etc. Hi Ashish, good morning. How are you? Hi Ashish, good morning. How are you? Right. So let's start discussing first of all this particular demo class. Okay. So this is a crash course. What is actually a crash course and what is the difference between crash course and foundation batch? Usually you all bankers expect us from us that we will teach similar in foundation and crash course, which is not the way. Why? Because the main difference between the foundation and the crash course is in both the cases we are covering the complete syllabus, right? But the speed is different. In the foundation batch our speed is very slow. We are going in every bit detail to explain each and every topic in the unit. Okay, and that's why we only pick one unit in one day. Sometimes one unit has two classes also in the foundation batch, but this is not the case of crash course. First of all, everything will be covered in this crash course, but the speed will be high. I am taking two or three units in one day in this crash course, so that speed will be bit high because this is a revision batch. Okay, so here you are getting the complete coverage of the syllabus in within 15 to 20 days. We are going to finish this crash course. So this is actually a revision, not the details which we have already discussed in the foundation batch. So first of all, the complete coverage will be there. You will not confuse yourself that in this crash course I am cutting down some syllabus. No, everything will be covered, but the speed will be very high. Okay, second, this is a smart revision for all of you for all the four modules. So if you have already learned, if you have already finished, even if you don't have finished the foundation batch, but you think that you can match with the speed and you can understand everything well, you have to join this crash course because it is a very effective course for all of you. Very effective course, very good for last minute revision, very great for last minute revision, right? So fast revision in a very smart structured way, plus all the live classes will be given to you in the scheduled timing. Okay, so no class will be there in your bank's time. Either early morning class or the late evening class will be there, so that you will not find any difficulty to attend any session in this particular crash course, right? So I'm starting from module A. So if we talk about the PPB, it will start from Tuesday. Okay, it will be starting from Tuesday. First, we will be discussing module A, then B, then C, then D. Clear? And the timings for the PPB will be 8 a.m. in the morning. Okay, everyone? Now, next thing. Let's talk about the syllabus. Okay, so first of all, the first module is the general banking operation. Okay, now general banking operation, it has total 21 units and it is actually a tough module for all of you. Tough module of you. Total units are, I think, 21 units. So I am taking approximately 10 classes in module A to finish the complete module A. 10 classes, 21 units, it means that 2 to 3 units in one day. right? So this is the general banking operation. You will find the AML, KYC, banking customer relationship, foreign exchange facility, the bankers right, the customers right, the cash management, the checks detail, bill of exchange, ancillary or add-on function, financial inclusion literacy. These are all the topic of module A, right? Totals are 21 unit, and I will be covering in 10 class. Okay, so 2 to 3 units in one day. Then we have module B, functions of bank. Now module B again has approximately 20 units. We have 20 units in module B, right? Again, I'm taking 10 classes to complete this whole, sorry, module B. There are total 20 units, and again, I'm taking 10 classes to complete the module B. Okay. Now, I find now module B more easier than module A. Till the previous examination cycle, I found A easier than B, but now I found B easier than A. Okay, so it depends upon the perspective of each and everyone who understand what better, right? So from my point of view, B is easier on you than A. Okay, and why I'm saying that, because now we have some days left, and module A and B are equally important, so we have to choose one module as our favorite module. May we can use A as our favorite module, or we can choose B as our favorite module. Favorite module as in we don't have to leave the other module. If I'm choosing A over B, it means that I have to go in very detail in A and less detail on B. And if I'm choosing B over A, it means that I have to go details on B and less on A, right? So I have to choose one as my important and favorite module. It doesn't mean I have to leave the other one. It only means that whichever is my favorite module between A and B, I have to go in very deep for that module because they are equally important. They have the equal weightage. Okay, so one should be given preference to another. Now it is depending upon different bankers. Some bankers choose B, some bankers choose A. Okay, now module C is all about technology, right? So it has only 9 units, okay? And I am taking approximately 5 to 6 class to complete the complete module C, all about the banking technology, the new trends which has been introduced in the banking technology, computerization, the alternate delivery channels we have, ATMs, NPCIs, operations, different type of technology like e-rupee, fintech, regtech, supertech, hashtag bankings, etc. So this we are going to discuss in module C, that is banking technology. Okay. Lastly, module D is all about ethics, everything based on ethics. Maximum 2 or 3 class will be taken to complete the whole module D. Only 5 chapters are there. I think I will be completing either in 2 class or 3 class the whole module D, right? So module A, I am completing in 10 class. B, again, I'm taking 10 class. C, I think 5 to 6 class are enough. Okay, and D 2 to 3 class, right? So this means the course will be finished within 20 days for all of you, right? So within 20 to 25 days, the complete syllabus will be finished for all of you, and that's why it is called as the crash course, because we are taking 2 to 3 units in one day, and it will be a fast revision for all of you. Okay, now if we talk about the module wise weightage, see, module wise weightage, I have already told you, module A and module B, they have equal weightage. Okay, equally important. Then we have module C, and then we have D. Okay, so A or B, they have the equal weightage, then C, then we have the D, right? So I am just suggesting you all some combination, right? I have to choose either A or B, my favorite, right? But C and D, we have to do in both the cases, okay? Because C and D are very scoring, so we have to go C and D in deep, but choose either A or B. Okay, choosing A over B or B over A doesn't mean you have to leave any module. Please be very clear, you don't have to leave any module because we have enough time to complete everything, right? But yes, priority should be given. Like if I'm giving to this, then I have to go in very deep in A, C, and D. If I'm choosing this, then I have to go very deep in B, C, and D to cover my examination. Okay. Now, the basic format of the examination we all know. Total questions are 100. Now, plus and minus 1 can be done. Okay, maximum marks can be 100. The question can be less than 100, can be more than 100. But the maximum marks can be only 100. Okay, the duration of the examination is 2 hours, and the passing marks you have to just score 50 out of 100. And there is no negative marking in the examination of PPB. Okay. Now, what I'm expecting from you all in this particular batch, first of all, this is the crash course. I am completing 2 units or 3 units in one day, right? So it is important to understand that you don't have to miss any class in this particular crash course. Please just focus to attend all the classes live. Okay, just attend all the classes live. Okay, because live has this extra edge that you can just ask your doubt in the meanwhile, like you are saying and I am just teaching. You just ask your doubt, I'm seeing your doubts, I will ask, clear your doubt in the class as well. But in case you are not able to attend the live class because of any commitment, then don't miss out the recorded session. Each and every day, go as per the day wise schedule. Maintain the discipline in the class. Okay. If you have missed the live class today, just watch the recorded session on the same day. Don't keep it pending for the next or next to next day. Right. So, live classes, first thing. Missing out, no worry, watch the recorded session. Okay, then you have to maintain the discipline in this particular class, because if you are missing any one class, then you are missing 2 to 3 units. Okay, and that is not a good way of clearing the examination. Okay, the last thing is, if you are just only seeing the class and you are saying that now, ma'am, we are ready for the examination, no, only watching the video, attending the class is 60% of your preparation. You have to read the PDF after each and every class. Sorry. Whatever the PDF I'm giving to you, whatever the teaching material I'm giving to you, whatever the class notes I'm giving to you, you have to read the class notes every time I'm finishing the video. Once you have watched the video, this is only 60%. After the watching the video, you have whole day. Just take out 10 minutes to read carefully the PDF. Okay, then only your preparation will be okay. So this is actually what I want to tell you for this particular batch. PPB classes will be starting from Tuesday. Timing will be 8 a.m. regularly. Okay, then you have to attend the classes, everyone. Okay, and I hope that this session finds useful to all of you, right? Thank you so much everyone for attending this session. Thank you, have a very nice day everyone. Take care. Bye everyone, take care guys.